Have you ever pondered upon the concept of infinity? Is it just a mathematical construct, or can it have a physical presence? If you've ever found yourself lost in thoughts about the endlessness of the universe, then you've probably brushed up against the concept of infinity. Infinity, it's a term that's casually thrown around, yet it holds such profound implications. It's a concept that transcends the finite world we experience daily, pushing the boundaries of our comprehension. Originating from mathematics, infinity refers to a quantity that's larger than any number you can ever conceive. But it's not just confined within the realm of mathematics. It permeates through various fields of science as well. In physics, infinity plays a crucial role in describing the universe. It's used to explain the endless expanse of space, the limitless energy of the cosmos, and the infinite divisibility of matter. In cosmology, the concept of an infinite universe has been a topic of debate for centuries. Infinity is not just an abstract concept, it can also embody a physical reality. For instance, the universe in theory could be infinite, stretching out endlessly in all directions. Or consider the quantum world, where particles can exist in an infinite number of states. But infinity is not just about enormity or endlessness, it's also about the infinitesimally small. Think about a fractal, a mathematical shape that's infinitely complex. It can be zoomed into forever, revealing ever more intricate patterns, no matter how small the scale. Infinity is a concept that challenges our understanding of reality. It questions our perception of the physical world and forces us to rethink the very nature of existence. It's like a puzzle that's both perplexing and intriguing, a riddle that's been captivating thinkers for millennia. Infinity, though mind-boggling, is a fascinating concept that possibly holds the key to understanding the universe. It opens up a world of possibilities, inviting us to explore the boundaries of the known and venture into the realm of the unknown. It's a journey that's bound to be filled with wonder, mystery, and endless discovery. So let's dive in and unravel the enigma that is infinity. When we gaze upon the stars, we can't help but wonder, is the universe infinite? The question is as old as human curiosity itself, and over time, it has given birth to a myriad of theories. From the ancient cosmological beliefs that saw a finite universe to the modern scientific consensus, our understanding of the universe has come a long way. The ancient Greeks, for instance, believed in a geocentric universe where the Earth stood still at the center and everything else revolved around it. With the advent of the telescope and the subsequent scientific revolution, the geocentric model was replaced by the heliocentric model, but the universe was still considered finite. Fast forward to the 20th century and the advent of the Big Bang theory. This theory suggests that the universe is flat and infinite, but what does this actually mean in terms of infinity? Well, if the universe is indeed flat and infinite, it means that it extends endlessly in every direction. This is a difficult concept to grasp because we're used to living in a world with boundaries. But in an infinite universe, there are no edges, no walls, and no ends. It just goes on and on and on. But it doesn't stop there. An infinite universe also means that there are an infinite number of galaxies, stars, and planets. And if you think about it, this also means that there are potentially an infinite number of realities, each differing from the other in unimaginably subtle ways. This is the beauty and the mystery of infinity. It's a concept so vast, so profound, that it can boggle the mind and inspire wonder in equal measure. And though we may never be able to fully comprehend it, we can at least attempt to visualize it, to grasp its magnitude. The universe, in all its vastness, might just be an embodiment of infinity. And as we continue to gaze upon the stars, we can't help but marvel at the endless possibilities that this idea presents. As we continue our journey into the vastness of the universe, let's pause for a moment and consider the paradox of infinity. If the universe is truly infinite, then it should contain everything that is physically possible. But this can lead us to some perplexing questions. For instance, if there are an infinite number of galaxies, stars, and planets, Does this mean that there are an infinite number of Earths out there? An infinite number of you and me? This is known as the infinite monkey theorem. It suggests that given enough time, a monkey hitting keys at random on a typewriter would almost surely type out the complete works of Shakespeare. If we apply this theorem to an infinite universe, it suggests that every possible event must occur, not just once, but an infinite number of times. This is an unsettling thought, isn't it? But hold on, it gets even stranger. If there are an infinite number of realities, then there could be realities where the laws of physics don't apply as we know them. Realities where time flows backward or where gravity pushes instead of pulls. This is the paradox of infinity. It takes us to places that are beyond our comprehension, where our normal rules and understanding break down. It's a concept that challenges our minds and tests our imaginations. And yet, it's a concept that's integral to our understanding of the universe. So, as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, let's keep an open mind. Because the more we learn, the more we realize just how much we don't know. And that's the beauty of exploring the unknown. It's a journey that's full of surprises, full of wonder, and full of infinite possibilities. If you are liking this video so far, please subscribe to our channel for more space mysteries. Don't forget to like and comment. Your support helps us bring you more content like this. But wait, what if the universe isn't flat? What if it's shaped like a donut or a sphere? If that's the case, then the widely accepted concept of the universe being flat and infinite might need some reconsideration. Let's dive into the realm of alternative theories that challenge the flat universe hypothesis. Some cosmologists propose that our universe might be curved, like a sphere. Imagine you're standing on Earth and you throw a ball into space. If the universe were spherical, that ball would eventually come back to you, having traveled in a giant cosmic loop. This is because in a spherical universe, space curves and eventually loops back on itself. However, a spherical universe doesn't necessarily mean that it's finite. It just implies that it's unbounded. You could travel in any direction forever, always returning to your starting point, but never encountering an edge. This is a mind-bending concept, isn't it? Another alternative theory suggests a toroidal or donut-shaped universe. In this model, if you travel far enough in one direction, you would end up in the same place, just like the spherical model. But here's the twist. A toroidal universe could have interesting implications for the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang, which we see all around us. These theories, though fascinating, are less popular than the flat universe model. They require bending and twisting of space in ways that we don't yet have concrete evidence for, and yet, they cannot be entirely dismissed. As our understanding of the universe evolves, so too do our theories about its shape and structure. These alternative theories, though less popular, open up a whole new perspective on the universe and infinity. They challenge our understanding of space, time, and the very fabric of reality. They make us question whether we've really grasped the true nature of the universe, or if there's still more out there to discover. So, is our universe truly infinite? Well, the answer might be more complex than we initially thought. Can we actually visualize infinity? Let's explore this intriguing idea. Visualizing infinity is a complex task. It's like trying to imagine a color you've never seen before or hearing a sound you've never heard. Infinity, by definition, is boundless. It's a concept that goes beyond our finite human understanding. But that doesn't mean we can't try to grasp it. After all, the human spirit is known for its relentless pursuit of knowledge. So, how do we visualize something that has no end? It starts by challenging our understanding of what is finite. For instance, draw a straight line on a piece of paper. That line in our understanding has two ends. But now, bend that line and connect the two ends. You've just created a circle, a shape that theoretically has no beginning or end. Now let's try to imagine this in a three-dimensional space. Imagine a sphere. Just like the circle, it has no beginning or end. But this time, it's not just about going left or right. You can go up, down, and in every other direction. That's a tiny glimpse into visualizing infinity. But it's not just about shapes. Infinity is also about numbers. Think about the number line. Start at 0 and move to the right. You'll pass 1, 2, 3, and so on. There's no end to it. You can keep counting forever. That's another way to visualize infinity. These are simple examples, but they give us a glimpse into the vastness of infinity. By exploring these concepts, we're also exploring the nature of our universe. Is it finite like the line, or infinite like the circle or the sphere? Is it limited, or does it go on forever like the number line? This exploration is not just a mental exercise. It could help us better understand the universe and our place in it. By challenging our perceptions and pushing the boundaries of our understanding, we can gain new insights into the mysteries of the cosmos. Though challenging, visualizing infinity could provide us with a deeper understanding of the universe. So, is our universe truly infinite, or is it just our inability to comprehend the finite? That's the question we've been grappling with throughout this exploration. Let's take a moment to recap what we've covered so far. We started by opening the boundaries of infinity, trying to grasp this abstract concept that defies our human understanding of limits. We then ventured onto the vast terrain of the universe, where infinity is not just a mathematical concept, but a possible physical reality. We challenged the flat universe theory, considering the intriguing possibilities of a donut-shaped or even spherical universe. And then we attempted to visualize infinity, a task that can feel as vast and endless as the concept itself. Now, we find ourselves here, contemplating whether our universe is truly infinite. This is an ongoing debate among scientists, as there is yet no definitive answer. Some propose that the universe is finite but unbounded, suggesting that it loops back on itself in a higher spatial dimension. Others argue for an infinite universe, one that goes on forever in all directions. Yet others suggest that our universe may be just one among an infinite number of universes in the multiverse, each with its own unique laws of physics. The universe might be finite, with its galaxies and cosmic phenomena neatly contained within a measurable space, or it might be infinite, forever expanding into the unknown, defying our attempts to impose boundaries on it. The truth is, we may never know for certain. Infinity, whether in mathematics or in the universe, is a concept that pushes us to expand our thinking, to question our understanding of reality, and to explore the boundaries of what we consider possible. It's a concept that, while challenging, also opens up a world of infinite possibilities. Whether the universe is infinite or not, the concept of infinity will continue to fascinate and challenge us in our quest to understand the universe. It's a journey of exploration and discovery, and we're all in it together.